Today I am going to teach you how to install Pycharm. First, open the terminal and type this command in the terminal and type the password. Pycharm is one of the IDE, integrated development environment. So this is good for this will help your programming. So whoever want to program Python code, this is very useful software. So I strongly suggest you to download and install this software. So installation in progress. Just type this command in your terminal. Okay, install is completed. Then simply in the terminal just type pycharm -community. Then it will launch the Pycharm software, but read the license agreement carefully. And I already read this, but I suggest you to read carefully and select, then continue. And data sharing is optional. Then there you go. So you can now use Pycharm. So I will just make a new project. Then I will make a new folder name. Just type whatever you want name for your project. Then you can start your project. So in my case, I will just name as Season 1 Episode 4 Flat Earth. Then enter. Then there you go. So now you can use this IDE so you can program with this nice environment. Thank you for watching.